music will give me copyright, so I need to run. Go, Karen! Haka hizi ona venye inakaa mzuri. Everywhere looking beautiful and quite busy. So let me know what you think about Nairobi and its environment. You can see around here how it looks nice. Inakaa mzuri kabisa. Somboya statue. Everywhere photography taking place. Watu wanapiga mapicha kila mahali. Very nice, very nice. So I'm taking you on a quick tour. Na watu wamekuja outing wawili wawili. Naona wenye wanashikana wawili wawili wanaopendana. They are putting cameras. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you come this far, successful people look like you and the Greater Manchester United. You can see the view around here after the cameras have been put, how it looks nice and beautiful. Nairobi inakaa London. That is my opinion. You can as well share your opinion on the comment section and tell us what do you think about the view of Nairobi. Some loud music being played over there. I hope it won't give me copyright. I need to run because now our music is becoming a lot more loud. I'm surprised they have not started putting those cabros around here. So this is a back street. This is the back street or downtown Nairobi. Platinum Plus. Beautiful ladies.
Lấy buông
gari inaleta shida bwana. Tuko Luduri hapa ni sasa. Tushafika Luduri, and for those who know Luduri Avenue, you can share your stories around about Luduri Avenue. There are a lot of crazy things that happen around here, especially if you are a newcomer in Nairobi and you come to buy electronics here. Ni rahisi sana wash. Pigwa mwosho mmoja Luduri Avenue ni rahisi sana kama wewe ni mgeni. But I'm not saying all the shops are the same. It's only a few people who kind of take advantage of other people. They are still genuine traders. Here these border guys like a plague.